So, we're going to introduce you to Propolis. If I was given the opportunity to come to Earth and I only knew one product, one healing substance that I could bring with me, at this point it would be Propolis that I would bring. So, Pro is defender of the city, Pro means before, and Polis means city. So in the history, it was used in Egypt, Greece, Middle Ages, and also is used now in the modern world. In Egypt, it was used for mummification. In Greece, it was used for wounds and skin diseases. In the Middle Ages, it was a disinfectant used for sore throats and dental ailments. And in the modern world, it was used to preserve the strings of various Stradivarius violins. So in our area of the world, it comes from a number of trees, the most popular one being the poplar buds. But it also takes from the alder, the birch, the chestnut, ash, willow, and plum. So what the bee does is goes and takes a big chunk of the buds, and they're very resinous, and it chews that and mixes it with its saliva, and it brings it back to the hive, and it uses that to cement the hive for various reasons, and that's where our source of propolis comes from. So it's antimicrobial, means that it works on 21 species of bacteria, 19 fungi, viruses, parasites. It also enhances the use of penicillin, so it can be used with antibiotics, and it's been proven to be always effective. I know that's a big claim, but I'll talk about it in a minute. So those bacteria include MRSA. It also leaves the bad bacteria alone, Staphylococcus, resistant to all but one pharmaceutical antibiotic, and bacterial diseases of bees. Fungi, including Giardia, which is really hard to treat, and I've had successful with people that have come back from traveling with Giardia. Viruses, herpes, influenza. A lot of people use it successfully on herpes sores, just putting it on the herpes sores. It was taken into Denmark and clinically verified in over 16,000 conditions. So propolis stimulates the enzyme systems, cell metabolism, circulation, collagen formation, wound healing, and the immune system. With the immune system, it stimulates macrophage activation. Conditions that it is used for are rheumatoid arthritis, cancer, diabetes, inflammation, cystitis, tinnitus, nervousness, and pain. In the cancer, it represses malignant cells and helps tissue to reestablish normal conditions. In some cases, skin cancer disappeared in 30 days, at least with one student we had. Inhibits tumor cell growth and helps with chemotherapy side effects. In diabetes, it increases insulin production. Of course, the thing that we're always dealing with is inflammation. It's one of the silent inflammation and active inflammation. So it helps to reduce inflammation, helps prevent inflammation as an antioxidant, and it also inhibits certain prostaglandins that are involved in the process of inflammation in the body. Tinnitus, putting propolis in the ear has been known to work in 36 hours, putting 1 part of tincture to 4 parts of olive oil. As far as pain goes, propolis is an anesthetic applied externally, locally. In nutrition, it has all vitamins except vitamin K. 14 of the 15 minerals that the body needs. It has flavonoids, which are part of the vitamin C complex, and 16 amino acids. So the only caution is that it seems to exacerbate wet eczema, and the normal reactions that we can expect from it is that some people might get a bit of a tummy ache, some people might get red spots. Maybe it will increase elimination, especially urinary. Appetite could be increased or decreased. These are usually within 24 to 48 hours. Stop for 4 days and resume at a lower dosage.